Exercise 199. Okay, be ready, start. The operations of insurance companies now cover a very extended field and are continuously growing consequent upon legislation, enactments, and improved methods of locomotion. There is the Workmen's Compensation Act, which deals with accidents arising out of and in the course of employment, and claims for compensation are made for minor accidents such as the dislocation of the wrist and unhappily also for fatal accidents. Often, this compensation is paid in lump sum in full discharge of all claims. Evidence of a definite contract or arrangement must be shown in the case of casual employment before compensation can be claimed. Third party indemnity insurance is concerned with the liability of persons to third parties in respect of personal injury and damage to property. 99 Insurance companies. Insurance companies. Enactments of locomotion. Workmen's Compensations Act. Workmen Compensation Act. And in the course of and claim for compensation. And claims for compensation. Minor accidents, dislocation of the wrist, lump sum, in full discharge of all claims, in full discharge of all claim. Casual employment, third party indemnity insurance, personal injury, damage to the property, arrangement